Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. One of my kids' beds, the slats broke. It is right here, one of the originals. Reason why I have one of the originals that are almost broke is that I'm making my own. Right there. Cut them into strips. Use a good one as a template. And I'm going to glue them together. Lay out your glue. I'm using Gorilla Glue. Use whatever wood glue you want. Spread it. Put a piece over, nice and even. And what I'm going to do is just lay another one on top. Spread glue. Lay another piece on top. Up and up, and then for these guys, clamp them all together. All right, there we are. All of them are together. Every other one is glued, so not too sloppy. So hopefully when I release it, all the proper ones will come apart. Anyway, 24 hours, and we'll check it tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. Let's see how these did. Okay. All right. Got us a plank. 6 of them. Let's go install them. All right, they're in. These 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the other ones are broken. Yes, this is a messy 11-year-old's room. The things you find underneath the bed. Anyway, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.